Welcome to NK Tech. In this video, I'll show you how you can make a DC motor spin controller using the Arduino Uno microcontroller. The Arduino Uno is a popular microcontroller and it can be used to make many hobbies as much as you like. So basically, first with modulation, what happens is that a signal is switched from on to completely off several times per second, and the relationship between the on time and off time determines the duty cycle, or basically the pass width percentage. At maximum pass width, or basically meaning that the output is not switched off at all, the duty cycle is considered to be 100%, and so this signal, when applied to the gate of a MOSFET, will cause it to completely conduct. This will give maximum RPM on the motor. The circuit is shown here. I'll be using the PWM digital pin 3 to control the MOSFET, and I'll be using the analog read, the first one, which is pin A0, as my input. So for the input, you can use any 5 volts reference. You can use the one on the Arduino. So this 1 kilo ohm resistor, basically it's kind of a pull down resistor, and this is my switch in which I have connected these several resistors, and selecting each combination will ensure a different voltage which is being fed to the analog read pin, and this will in turn control the output PWM on pin 3. The Arduino code is shown here. Nothing fancy. So start by declaring the motor control pin as digital pin 3. It's a PWM pin. The control pin, basically this is the sensor pin, is the analog read A0, and the sensor value is 0. So declare the motor pin as output and control pin as input. Then we need to assign a value to the sensor value, so we perform an analog read on the analog pin A0, which will be anywhere from 0 to 1023. As for a voltage of 0 to, with 0 being 0 volts and 1023 being 5 volts, then perform a mapping. It's a function of the Arduino IDE. We map anything in between this to anything between 0 and 255, whereby 0 is 0% duty cycle and 255 is 100% duty cycle. Then we perform an analog write on the output PWM pin, which is 3, and the number here is the sensor value, which will be anything from 0 to 255, which will determine the speed from 0 to 100%. Then we delay by 100 milliseconds. So now I'll perform a simulation. So you can see currently the duty cycle is almost 100%, so I will change these values. Now the duty cycle is 100%. Its minimum, roughly about 10%. I don't know whether the motor is rotating slightly. Then there is the duty cycle has increased a little bit. You can see the motor is slightly rotating. Then let's increase the duty cycle further. This probably 80% duty cycle. This is like 90% duty cycle, which will relate to almost to like 90% the rated speed of the motor. And when this is off, the duty cycle is basically 100%, and this will cause the motor to rotate at maximum RPM. So don't forget to like this video drop a comment, share, and subscribe for more amazing projects and tutorials.